Okay, another crazy science week around the house. We're taking a look at things in the kitchen. And this is one which you might have noticed. You go in there, you're boiling hot, you pour out a glass of water and bubbles on top, you drink it down, you go to get another glass of water, bubbles up, drink it down, or did it? I've noticed that actually on the second time, the water does not bubble anywhere near as much. Now, is that because there's water on the inside of the glass? Or is it because there's some deposit on the glass? Is it completely clean glass? So I've done a little experiment this week, which just to verify what's really going on, and you might be interested with the outcome. Okay, so here we have the glass. I'm about to fill it up with water. This has come straight out of the dishwasher. It's dried and it's also cooled down. So dishwasher had some rinse aid in it as well. So we're going to fill it up the first time and observe the bubbles, especially the large bubbles, and how long they last. Keep watching, here we go. Now see how long they last before they all go. There's a few little ones left at the end there too. Okay, so that's what we're going to compare. Now tip it out. Now yes, the glass is wet the second time, but we're going to be counting for that shortly. Filling it up now, watch how long. See those large bubbles go much faster the second time round. Now we've got a glass that's been hand washed in detergent, dried and rinsed thoroughly. Watch the bubbles. Gone very quickly, no residual bubbles at all. And the second time round we get exactly the same as we'd expect. No difference for the cup being wet from the first time at all. So this indicates that there really was something left in a deposit in the first glass from the dishwasher. Now, in case you're wondering, the dishwasher, it's pretty darn new, less than a year old, from a major electrical appliance maker, one of the largest in the world for white goods. And the dishwasher powder, well, in our supermarket and most supermarkets, there's only one brand that is available, and it comes in a number of varieties, but I haven't been in supermarkets in other countries, but certainly for here there's only one brand, and it's definitely leaving something. Now I've tried this with and without the little rinse aid, the blue stuff that you put in and fill up. It doesn't seem to make any difference. So, and yet as you see, the one that was being washed by hand doesn't produce those extra bubbles at the end. And so that seems to indicate there's something left. What is it? You know, it's probably a phosphate based detergent, but is it dangerous? Isn't it? Who knows? But it's there. I'd like you to give it a go and try it out for yourself and see what you can find, and give me any ideas as to how we might test this to see if there's anything else left there. I'd like to know. Thanks, and I'll see you all again soon.